Today I will make dhokla. I have added half a cup of water to the gram flour. Now I will add half a teaspoon of sugar, half a teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of turmeric. The spoon I am using to add salt, turmeric and sugar is very small, so it may seem like there is more salt, turmeric and sugar than intended. Now I will add ENO. After that I will squeeze one lemon. Then add 1 cup of water and mix the gram flour well. I will cover it and let it rest. Now I have taken a container to make the dhokla and I will grease it with oil so that the gram flour does not stick. I will pour the prepared batter into this container. Next, I will take a large vessel, pour some water into it and place the container with the batter on top of the water in the large vessel. Then I will put it in the oven for 6 minutes. After 6 minutes, we will check the dhokla with a toothpick. If the batter does not stick to the toothpick, it means our dhokla is ready. After that, I will take the dhokla out of the container. I will add some oil in a pan. Then add curry leaves and mint leaves, a little sugar, green chilies and a little lemon juice. After that, I will add 1 cup of water and cook this mixture. Once it's ready, I will cut the dhokla according to my preference and pour the syrup on top. Finally, I will eat it with chutney.